little Peyton. It's late at night, February 2008. This is Peyton playing in her Extrasaucer. She should be in bed because it is 9:35 at night. Time for bed, I think, but she doesn't care about that. Do you? Hi, sweetheart. Are you excited? Oh, yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. Good girl. You're a good girl. Your sissy is in bed. Why aren't you in bed? Daddy just went to get Mommy ice cream from Dairy Queen. You're not old enough for ice cream yet, little boo-boo. Oh, hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, sweetheart? Mama loves you. That's a silly noise. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. You can look at your tootsies. Oh, I gotta look at those tootsies. Oh, look at those feet. One sock on, one sock off. Your tootsies. Oh, my little baby. I love you. I love you. Oh, yes, I do. Bye-bye.